PC getting slower and slower every day? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick and easy tricks to boost your computer's speed in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Go to Task Manager, click on the Startup tab, and disable any apps you don't need when your PC boots up. This will make your computer start faster. Tip number 2. Run Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu, select your C drive, and delete temporary files and system junk. It can free up valuable space. Tip number 3. Defragment your hard drive. Go to Defragment and Optimize drives, and run it for your main hard disk. This helps organize your files and can improve speed. That's it. 3 quick fixes to make your PC run smoother. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fix My PC Now for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.